Hey guys, so today I have the July Witch Casket box to show you. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do ship it worldwide. I'll put all of the information that I do know down below with their website and everything in case you want to go and check them out. But today we are just going to open this and see what is in July's box. So as always, I haven't opened it yet. I've not even looked at the theme, anything like that. We're opening it together. And okay, so the theme this month is Calming Magic. So it seems to be a very neutral theme. It's like a beigey, grey, mossy kind of colour. And this is just a booklet telling you all about the items. We're not going to go through that because I'm going to show you, but if you do get the box, that is what this is, just a little information booklet. And the first thing that we have right on the top is our little mini art print. So this month it seems to be a square pentacle design. It's kind of like a twigs sort of pentacle, and it's got crystals and leaves and little flowers and stuff around it. If you're not a print person, they do also now put this on the back, this monthly manifestations thing. So it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? So there is that. And then we have lots of boxes, it looks like, in here. So the first one that I can see is this one. And this is a Peace of Mind fireball. It says, an enchanting bowl to perform fire magic to banish anxiety, stress and overthinking. So let's have a see what this looks like. Okay, so there is a few little bits in here. We have the actual bowl itself. I'll show you that first. So it's a metal little dish, and it's got little like sparkles and stars and pentacles all the way around it. So that is the bowl itself. And then we have this little card. So this says basically what to do. Note down on a piece of paper what you'd like to be free of, etc. I will hold this up just in case anyone wants to pause and read that. And then we also have this tiny little like little post-it note pad, and it says I rid myself of on the top of there. So that is everything in the Peace of Mind fireball. Then next we have another little box, and this one is Calming Smelling Salts. Very unusual, never had smelling salts in here before. It says inhale the therapeutic fragrance to bring calm in times of stress. Can also be used as bath salts. It's an aromatic blend of ylang ylang, bergamot and lavender. Time-tested anti-anxiety blend from Deb's Family Book of Shadows. So let's have a see what this looks like. Okay, so this is what the jar itself looks like. It does say Calming Smelling Salts on the top, and then it's just a little glass jar of them. Let's have a smell. Okay, so it is a very light smell. I was kind of expecting it to be super strong, but it's nice though. I mean, if that is something helpful to you, I don't think that would really help me personally, but I know that some people love stuff like that. So unusual little item, some smelling salts. Then next we have this. Now I did just look in the little booklet to check what this was. I assumed what it was, but I just wanted to be 100%. And this is a card stand with a crystal tray. So you would use like your oracle, tarot, whatever you want. You'd pick your card and you'd put it into this slot here, and then the crystals can go into that part there. So it's just kind of like a natural wood, and it's got little sparkle designs around there. So a little card stand. Then next we have our crystal or gemstone for the month, and this one is a grey aventurine thumbstone. So I do love a thumbstone. They look like this, and they have this sort of curved inner part for you to like rub with your thumb. So this one says it helps with grounding, stability and balance, and promotes a sense of harmony and calm. This specially shaped stone is designed for self-soothing. Hold it between your index finger and thumb and rub the pad of your thumb across the smooth, indented surface to reduce anxiety. So I do like that. These are quite nice to mess around with, especially if you're like a really fidgety person. These are pretty nice to have. So we have a little grey aventurine, one of those. Then next we have our pin, so you always get an enamel pin, and this one is, oh, not showing up very well. This one is a silver, kind of looks like a cup of tea, steaming under the moon in like a dome sort of shape. Hopefully you can kind of see that. It is very, very light. It only has one pin on the back. A very unusual one, I've got to say. It is quite difficult to like see the pattern on it in person because it's just kind of silver, but it is a nice pretty one though. Then next, oh okay, this is a very, very empty box. We're literally nearly done already, which is surprising, I've got to say. Next we have a little black bag with bats on it. Not really going with the rest of the theme. I feel like this is more of like a Halloween-y kind of theme in my opinion, but we will see. I think this is our spell kit. Is it our spell kit? Oh, it isn't our spell kit, so we don't seem to have a spell this month, which is odd. I will check the booklet in a minute. We always usually get a spell, but we'll see. So this is a calming charm bat. So it's basically a little felt bat that you make, I think. It says it comes with felt pieces, needles, thread, stuffing and chamomile. So we've got the thread and the needle, the stuffing, the chamomile, and then this is the little felt bat like outlines. There is two there, I don't know if you can see or not, but that is the little felt bat that you make. It is very cute, I do love that. I'm not sure if that's possibly in place of the spell though, a little bit weird. So I did just check in the booklet and there isn't a spell this month, which is a little bit weird. I think we've had a spell, I mean I've been getting this for years and it's had at least one in every box. Even if there's art projects in there, like sewing things and stuff, there is usually a spell, so I feel like we're kind of missing that this month, but that is fair enough. We do have one of my favourite things to get in these boxes now, and that is a card deck. So this is a calming card deck. It says a gentle yet empowering deck to ease your daily stresses. Pull a card a day to bring clarity and perspective. So let's have a see what these look like. They are round, which is very unusual. I don't think we've ever had round ones before. They do say witch casket on one side with a pentacle, and then they all have things wrote on them on the other side. Obviously I can't go through all of them, there is literally loads of them, but I will just randomly pick like 2 or 3. So we have control your thoughts and your energy. They are a powerful magic. A few moments of mindfulness can change your day. Give yourself that time. And the element of air will carry your cares away. Breathe them out slowly with intent and gratitude. So that is kind of what all of the different cards are like, just little quotes and stuff that you can pick each day. So that is the calming card deck. Always love their cards, they are always really, really good quality and stuff. And then the last thing before our scroll is some incense. So these are Loving Vibrations incense. It says they are violet and ylang ylang. Oh, quite nice actually. Smells a little bit like Parma violets if you've ever had those. But yeah, just some little incense. And then we have our scroll, so I will open this and hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. We do also have the good little band back like last time, so this must be a permanent thing, I'm assuming. The stickers are gone and I love that. Someone did also say that they took this off and used it as a ring, which is so cute, so we're gonna get lots of those it looks like. This scroll is about grounding apparently, so I will hold it up like I said. And yeah, that was everything in the July Witch Casket box. A little bit disappointed with this one, I have to say. Definitely one of the emptiest I think I've ever had. Usually when there's an empty kind of one like this, it means that the next one is going to be like some really big, expensive, amazing one. But I remember saying last month that that one was quite empty too, and that like a good box must be coming. So either one of the next boxes is so full and expensive that they really had to kind of push back on these two, or they're just kind of getting a little less. I'm not sure yet, but definitely less in this one. I will grab it all and show you it all together at once just so you can see it all at the same time. So we had the little mini art print, the thumbstone, the enamel pin, the calming card deck, the little create your own like felt bat kit, the little wooden card holder with the crystal tray, the Peace of Mind fireball, the calming smelling salts, the incense sticks, and the scroll as well. So this was everything that was in the July Witch Casket box. Like I said, definitely a very, very empty one. Not 100% that I would have paid £29 if I knew that this was what was in this one. A little bit disappointing. Like I said, I also didn't love the last one. There wasn't loads in that either. So fingers crossed the next one is amazing. But I will leave the details down below for Witch Casket anyway, in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.